Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to your mathematics class. Yesterday we have completed the chapter number system. We have completed its revision. And today we are going to start our new chapter, that is the chapter number 2, polynomials. Yesterday we have learned various numbers in our chapter number system. We have learned the rational numbers, the whole numbers, natural numbers, irrational numbers. So let's recall at once what are the numbers. Here you can find some of the examples: 2, under root 3, 2 by 3, 0, 5 root 2. They all are numbers. Numbers are also known as constants. Numbers में क्या बोलते हैं? Constant. Why? Because the numerical values of the numbers do not change throughout. So what are constant? Now we have got the new term, that is constant. Constant whose numerical value remains same or fixed or it do not change. These type of numbers are known as constant. So are all numbers, whether we talking about under root 3, you can see this is an irrational number. Again, this is an irrational number. And they all are rest, these are rational numbers. So the numbers are known as constant. Now the next term would be used in this chapter is variables. Unlike constant, the value of variable it varies or it changes. Variables की value depend करती है हमारे दूसरे numbers पे, दूसरे variable पे, जिसकी वजह से इनकी value continuously क्या कर सकती है? Change कर सकती है. For example, if I say there are two students in the class, or two brother and sisters are there. So if I ask one, let us say they are A and B, their name is A and B. If I ask the brother, what is your age? The brother says, my age is 2 years older than my sister. Let the sister be A and boy be, brother be B. तो अगर हम इनकी एजेस का इक्वेशन निकाल के रखेंगे तो क्या होगा? ब्रदर ने क्या बोला? मेरी एज मेरी सिस्टर की एज से 2 इयर्स ज़्यादा है. उसने वी कैन फाइंड दिस रिलेशन. हमने इसको क्या बना दिया? एक इक्वेशन बना दी, लीनियर इक्वेशन हमने बना ली इसको. तो ब्रदर सेड माय एज इज 2 इयर्स ग्रेटर देन, आई एम ओल्डर 2 इयर्स देन माय सिस्टर. अब यहाँ पे बी क्या हो गया? वेरिएबल. ए क्या हो गया? वेरिएबल. बट 2 क्या है? कांस्टेंट. Why it is variable? We can understand. अगर सिस्टर की एज 8 इयर्स है तो ब्रदर की एज कितनी है? 10 इयर्स. अगर यहाँ पे सिस्टर की एज 12 इयर्स है तो ब्रदर की एज कितनी है? 14 इयर्स. तो आप यहाँ पे देखेंगे बी और ए की एज वेरी कर रही है. सो A and B are variables and 2 is a constant. I hope this logic is clear of the variable and constant. Constant जिसकी वैल्यू फिक्स्ड रहती है, they are constant. Variables जिनकी वैल्यू दूसरी चीज़ों पे डिपेंड करती है और वो चेंज हो सकती है, so they are variables. Variables को जनरली मैथमेटिक्स में हम स्मॉल अल्फाबेट्स में लिखते हैं, x, y, z in small letters. Now we have also learned in our class 8, we have learned the algebraic expression. What is an algebraic expression? We all know the common definition. It is a combination of constant and variables. An algebraic expression simply is a combination of constant and variables. You can find here, this is an example of algebraic expression. Let us find out what are constants here. This one is a constant. And x square and x, they are variables. X square and x, they are variables. So, and what is this? 2. This is known as exponent or power of x. Exponent or power of x. X square का exponent क्या है? 2 और x का क्या है? 1. So these are exponents. Now what is this 2? This 2x square में अगर हम बात करें, हमने कोएफिशिएंट्स भी पढ़े, क्लास 7 में भी पढ़े और क्लास 8 में भी पढ़े. So कोएफिशिएंट क्या होता है? जो भी आपका variable. So if I ask you what is the coefficient of x square in this equation, so it is 2. Coefficient of x square, तो उसके साथ numerical value क्या है 2, तो 2 क्या हो गया उसका coefficient. Similarly if I say what is the coefficient of x, अब x के सामने आप यहाँ पे देखेंगे आपको लगेगा you are having no number, but by default 1 is there and along with the sign it will become -1. So -1 is the coefficient of x. Now 1 तो constant है, लेकिन उसके साथ अगर हम वेरिएबल की बात करें, sometimes you can come across the questions what is the coefficient of x to the power 0. x to the power 0 1 होता है, ये हम सब ने पहले भी पढ़ रखा है. So if I say 1 के साथ में यहाँ पे क्या है x to the power 0. So x to the power 0 का coefficient क्या हो गया यहाँ पे 1. Coefficient हमारे क्वेश्चन में कांस्टेंट भी है, and if I am asking you what is the coefficient of x to the power 0, so we will simply answer it as 1. Till here we have seen that what were the algebraic expression, what are the coefficients, what are constant, what are variables. Now let us come to our main topic, our chapter polynomial. The main topic is polynomial. Now it is very important to understand what is a polynomial. Polynomial is an algebraic expression that is having the exponent as whole number. This is very important to understand. कोई भी algebraic expression जिसके exponent, हमने अभी देखा था exponent हमारे x स्क्वायर की पावर क्या था 2, x की पावर क्या थी 1. So अगर exponent हमारे whole numbers हैं, वो उस तरह के expressions को हम क्या कह सकते हैं polynomial. So those kind of expression whose these exponents are whole numbers, they are known as polynomial. Whole numbers का set हम सबको याद है कहाँ से start होता है. Whole numbers start from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. This you have to remember. It cannot be a fraction. It cannot be a negative number. Next example. Now let us see the example 7x square plus 6y plus 6. This is an example of a polynomial. Why? Because if I see the power of x is 2. 2 is a whole number. Power of y is 1. 1 is a whole number. And this is the polynomial or an algebraic expression in two variables. Here you can see there are two variables x and y. X and y. But basically we are going to learn in one variable only. But if any of the variable is containing the power which is not a whole number, then that is not considered as a polynomial. If any of the variable contains the power which is not a whole number, then that particular expression is not a polynomial. For example, if I say under root x we have learned yesterday how we can write it. X to the power 1 by 2. We can write it. You can see now power is fraction. So this is not a polynomial. Similarly, y, cube root of y. So I can write 1 by 3 of y. So again now power is a fraction. So this is not a polynomial. Here you can see x plus 1 upon x जब भी होता है, हमने कल पढ़े थे एक्सपोनेंट के लॉज जब हम पढ़ रहे थे. So in that 1 upon x I can write x, यहाँ पे पावर 1 है, जब ये ऊपर जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगी पावर -1. Now you can see this is x to the power 1 and this is x to the power -1. -1 is not a whole number. Therefore this particular expression is not a polynomial. So I hope now it is clear how we can identify which expressions are polynomials and which expressions are not polynomials. Now let's move into the next term, that is terms. What are the terms in a polynomial? So here if I see the expression 7x square minus xy plus 6. अब इसमें आपके जो प्लस माइनस के ऑपरेशन है उससे पहले या उससे बाद में जो भी आपके पर्टिकुलर टर्म है दैट इज नोन एज अ टर्म, सिंगल टर्म इन अ polynomial. For example, if I ask you how many terms are there in this polynomial, तो हम देखेंगे माइनस प्लस दो साइन है वहाँ पे. सो उससे पहले 1 टर्म, देन then second, and then third term. So this particular polynomial is having 3 terms. What are those 3 terms? 7x square, 6y and 3. These 3 terms are there in this particular polynomials. Now let us understand the deep meaning of polynomial. By what you can remember it. Poly, we have learned many times, we have understood many times. Poly means many and nomials are terms. So any expression which is containing many terms is known as polynomials. Now based on the terms, that how many terms that particular polynomial is containing, we have divided it into different categories. The first, if any expression is having only one term, for example it is having 2x, single term, so it is a monomial. Mono means 1. Even if it is simply x, again it is a monomial. If I am writing it any number 3, suppose only 3 I am writing, then also this is a monomial. Binomial, bi means 2. Bi means 2. So 2 means 2 terms it is having. It could be x square plus 1. x square, कोई भी आप जो भी एक्सप्रेशन आपका जिस भी पॉलिनोमियल में 2 टर्म्स है, that is known as binomial. And similarly, if the polynomial is having 3 terms, then it is known as a trinomial, and so on. After this, there is one important. If it is only the numerical value, if I am saying it is only a constant, so these type of polynomials, they are known as constant polynomial. They are constant polynomial. अगर कहीं पे सिर्फ एक नंबर आपको गिवन है, 1 है, 2 है, 3 है, कोई भी नंबर है, सिर्फ सिंगल वो नंबर है, तो these kind of polynomials are categorized as constant polynomial. अब polynomial कैसे हो सकता है? We have learned कि polynomial algebraic expression में होता है, which is a combination of a constant and a variable. Now you say मैम यहाँ तो variable हमें नहीं दिख रहा. So variable कैसे देख सकते हैं? 2 into x to the power 0. x की power 0 1 होती है. This we have learned yesterday only. So we can write it 2 x to the power 0. Now the next polynomial, next category or the same is, if you see anywhere written as 0, simply अगर 0 लिखा है, so these kind of polynomials are also known as जीरो पॉलिनोमियल. इस पॉलिनोमियल को हम क्या बोलेंगे? जीरो पॉलिनोमियल. अब जीरो पॉलिनोमियल में अगेन मैम जीरो इज अ कांस्टेंट, सो वेयर इज द वेरिएबल? अब जीरो के साथ अगर हम कोई भी वेरिएबल लिखते हैं, x टू द पावर 1 भी लिखेंगे, जीरो के साथ x टू द पावर 2 भी लिखेंगे, इट ऑलवेज इट विल रिमेन जीरो ओनली. सो नाउ इट हैज बिकम अ पॉलिनोमियल. वेरिएबल भी है और कांस्टेंट भी है वहां पे. सो नाउ इट इज अ पॉलिनोमियल. सो दीज टू न्यू टर्म आर देयर, जीरो पॉलिनोमियल एंड कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल. आई होप दिस मच इज क्लियर. नाउ लेट अस सी व्हाट इज डिग्री. नाउ नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टर्म इज डिग्री ऑफ अ पॉलिनोमियल. Suppose we are having the same expression, जो हमने पहले लिया था 6x square minus 6y plus 3. अब देखो किसी भी पॉलिनोमियल में वेरिएबल की हाईएस्ट पावर जो होती है उसको हम कहते हैं डिग्री. अब चाहे वो पॉलिनोमियल सिंगल वेरिएबल में हो, चाहे वो 2 वेरिएबल्स में हो. यहाँ पे अगर हम देखें तो ये 2 वेरिएबल्स में है, बट अगर हम हाईएस्ट पावर की बात करें तो क्या है? 2. So this is its degree of this polynomial is 2. Degree of this polynomial is 2. Similarly, if I write as x5 plus 2. Now what is the degree of this polynomial? Degree of this polynomial is 5. So the highest power of the variable in the particular polynomial is known as the degree of the polynomial. Now, previously we have categorized the polynomial based on the terms. Now, another category we is based on the degree of the polynomial. So if the degree of the polynomial is 2, if the degree of the polynomial is 2, अगर डिग्री 2 है तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे हम? क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल. उसको क्या बोलेंगे? क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल. Example, we can say x square plus 1. This is a quadratic polynomial because the degree is 2. Then अगर डिग्री 3 है तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल. क्यूब मतलब 3, क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल. So if I say 2x cube plus x square plus 2. So now the highest power is 3. This is a cubic polynomial and so on.